All right, so I have the first box here. Ooh, you said it's food, but it's a little light. I wonder what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Ooh, it's wrapped well, so it's probably... Oh, this says Atomy Manuka Honey. This is actually one of the Atomy products I wanted to try. They say that this Manuka honey is so good. It comes from like Australia and New Zealand down south, and the flavor is supposed to be absolutely amazing. Let's see, let's look. It says Atomy Manuka Honey 830 plus? I don't know what 830 plus means. All right, so let's look on here. Maybe they'll have an explanation for it. It says, Manuka honey contains more methylglyoxal than regular honey. Now, I don't know what that is, but it says that methylglyoxal has an antibacterial effect. Oh, that's important. And the amount of MgO tells you how good the honey is. So the higher the MgO value, the higher the grade of honey. So 830 plus, that's equivalent to the highest grade of honey. And that grade name is Super Premium. Okay, so this is Super Premium Manuka honey. This must be really valuable stuff.
Yeah, apparently only the top 1% of the Manuka honey get to have this super premium grade.
So this is like 1% best honey in the entire world. That makes me even more excited to try it. Can we open it now? Let's open it. Okay, I'm all ready to try this Manuka honey. So let's open it up. Oh, wow. That is a very, very rich scent. Oh my goodness. That is thick. I don't know if I've seen honey this thick before. Like, even before I taste it, I can already tell this is going to be very rich, and this is going to be a honey experience for sure. So let's first try it, just the honey. All right, let's get a spoon. They say that it's best actually to eat this on an empty stomach. It's the best for you then. So let's try it. Oh, that is good. It's very nice. It's very rich, but it's not overpowering. Like, it's sweet, but it's not too sweet. That is nice. They say that it's best to take 1 to 2 teaspoons of this with an empty stomach, so it can really work in your stomach well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this honey and I'm going to make it into a bit of tea. So let's see. Put that in there. And then I have some hot water here. Be careful when you're pouring it. It doesn't dissolve 100%, so you can still kind of see little globs of honey floating around in there. But it's a nice yellowy amber color. All right, let's take a drink. That's soothing. It goes down the throat really well. One sip and I already feel so much healthier. Let's actually see what some of the health benefits are of this Manuka honey. So it says some of the health benefits include, it may help calm your coughing and your bronchial tube problems. It also could possibly improve your gastrointestinal problems such as gastritis, reflux, esophagitis, and abdominal distension. I sometimes have some GI problems, so this looks like it might definitely help with those. And then it also helps to prevent periodontitis and periodontal disease, so things in your mouth. This can definitely help you deal with those types of problems you might have. So this Manuka honey is generated with a lot of rich flavor and it has a lot of benefits for our body. So there are a lot of recipes that we can use for this as well. All right, so we have one thing I really love to eat in the morning. We have Greek yogurt with some pineapple and grapes, and we are going to drizzle some of this Manuka honey on top. This is gonna be so good. I can already tell. Ooh. Oh, that is wonderful. The Manuka honey adds just the right amount of sweetness. It's not overbearing, and it has that deep, very almost warm flavor that it gives to the fruit and the yogurt. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna be putting this on my yogurt every morning from now on. And I think you could probably put this on like toast. You could put it on pancakes. If there's any other type of tea that you want to put it in, I think that this Manuka honey will go really well. I definitely recommend this. 10 out of 10.